कस्बों को शहरों के वसाइल से मुनक़ते ना किया जाए।
The towns should not be cut off from the city's resources. The towns should not be cut off from the city's resources.
आपको सच मानना पड़ेगा।
You have to admit the truth. You have to admit the truth.
पहले माज़ी पर गौर करने की कोशिश करें।
Try reflecting on the past first. Try reflecting on the past first.
मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप में बात करने की हिम्मत है।
I hope you have the guts to speak back. I hope you have the guts to speak back.
पानी तेजी से दरिया में गिर गया।
The water rushed down the river. The water rushed down the river.
वो हर माह अपनी मछली का प्याला धोती थी।
She washed her fish bowl every month. She washed her fish bowl every month.
गिरोह एक इशारे से खामोश हो गया।
The group was silenced with a signal. The group was silenced with a signal.
इस किस्म की सूरतहाल में अज़्म बेहतरीन काम करता है।
Determination works best in this type of situation. Determination works best in this type of situation.
मैं साबित कर सकता हूँ कि वो सही थी।
I can prove that she was right. I can prove that she was right.
मुझे तस्वीर को धुंधला करना पड़ेगा।
I would have to blur out the picture. I would have to blur out the picture.